To reset Whoop battery life, start by understanding the basics of the Whoop strap and its battery. The Whoop strap is a fitness tracker that monitors your daily activities, sleep, and recovery, and it is powered by a rechargeable battery. When the battery life starts to degrade, it may be necessary to reset it to ensure optimal performance. First, make sure your Whoop strap is fully charged. Plug the strap into the charging dock and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. This will ensure that the battery is not completely drained and will allow you to reset the battery life. Next, open the Whoop app on your mobile device and navigate to the settings menu. Scroll down to the battery section and look for the reset option. Select the reset option and confirm that you want to reset the battery life. Now, remove the Whoop strap from the charging dock and let it sit for a few minutes. This will allow the strap to discharge any remaining power and reset the battery life. After a few minutes, plug the strap back into the charging dock and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Once the strap is fully charged, the battery life should be reset. You can verify this by checking the battery level in the Whoop app. If the battery life is still not accurate, you may need to repeat the reset process a few times to get an accurate reading. It is also important to note that resetting the battery life will not affect any of your data or settings. All of your workouts, sleep, and recovery data will still be available in the Whoop app. Additionally, make sure to regularly clean and maintain your Whoop strap to ensure optimal battery life and performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your Whoop battery life and ensure that your strap is working accurately and efficiently. Remember to always keep your strap charged and clean to get the most out of your Whoop experience.